Yo, welcome to Resilience, Real Talk with Joel. This is episode 3 of Mending. So let's get ready to go.
Check it out.
Check it out. Listen, we all mess up sometimes. We say all the wrong things, make bad choices. And next thing you know, a relationship on the fritz, that space between you and someone you care about, man, it can feel like a mile wide, right? An ocean deep. It hurts, fam. It really does. I faced these obstacles when I came home too. But here's that one thing. Bridges can be rebuilt, fences can be mended. It ain't that easy earning back trust. That takes time, effort, and a whole lot of sincerity. You gotta be accountable for your actions, show that you really changed. Ain't about empty apologies, it's about genuine transformation, alright? So how do we even begin to patch things up? Here's 3 things to keep in mind. 1, open communication. Don't shy away from this tough stuff. You gotta talk it out, explain your actions, and most importantly, listen to their perspective. Be open to their pain and anger. Number 2, consistent effort. Rebuilding trust ain't a one-time thing. It's about showing up every single day, proving you're worthy of their trust again. Actions do speak louder than words, family. 3, patience. It takes time for wounds to heal. Don't get discouraged if things don't magically snap back to normal overnight. You gotta be patient. You gotta keep putting in that work, and you just trust the process. Look, reconciliation ain't for the faint of heart. It takes guts, humility, and a willingness to grow. But let me tell you, that mended relationship, that bridge rebuilt is stronger than it ever was before. Here's a verse to keep in mind. Ephesians chapter 4:32. Keep you inspired. Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as Christ God forgave you. Remember, my family, forgiveness is always possible. Take that first step, reach out, see where the journey leads. You got this. Peace out.